I'm over here. So right now, I'm at my bed. Right now, I'm over here. I'm chilling.
So, ladies and gentlemen, right now I'm here. We're vlogging. Today, how much, Jay? Like quarantine?
Probably 9 or 10.
Today is day 9, if that much. Jakes is in the building right here, you know what I mean? We here. Today is day 9 or 10. Travis down out the road. Meds deal with some food for we. Meds, me know you go watch this. Blessings and respect, you know what I mean? The man, you look like a food there now. Food there. It is here, people. It is literally right here. I can smell it. Yeah, the food is here. The food is here. It is literal. Yo, my mouth shine. Me just go. What about my mouth?
No, thing that they say, you know, I touch it.
What?
Shit. Should I make them do it in a separate one?
Shrimp in there?
Yeah, G.
Oh, if shrimp in there, I like man.
No, not in a year food.
If shrimp in there, no, I don't trust none of them. No. Bingy, shrimp in there. Respect for your food, but I can't eat it. Can't eat it, Bingy. I can't eat it. And then I see him back. Can't eat it.
One wicked?
No, I can't eat it.
Oh, you can't eat this.
Can't
Don't
eat
eat
it.
the food.
Can't eat it.
See that? No, thing that not there in a year.
Okay.
What you man by you?
And for more did that.
Don't better come up and you flag and come eat the food.
No, me no. The shrimp in there, me no want to.
You know that? Only me and think the food.
Shrimp in the Bingy. Can't eat it, mates. Mates, me can't eat it, brother. Shrimp in there. Yo, me see big piece of shrimp in a Travis sword. Watch it, shrimp gravy. Jesus!
No, lie. No lie.
Yo, I'm showing you food, ladies and gentlemen. It looks so delicious.
Alright, you can see
Mm-mm.
Sorry. Where you get your food?
Eat shrimp. On the sea sauce.
Cover this. We just eat still. Belly full for right now. We just eat a bun, you know? We are preserved and moderate.
You can not eat it.
Yeah? Why bun?
No, that.
No, me just eat the bun. If me not eat that, me I sell it. Yeah, man. Food scarce right now. If me not consume mine, me I sell it. The Jakes have out with me, no.
Yeah.
You eat shrimp though.
Yeah, man.
Jigs.
Why, woman just get fair to man. Respect, mates. Wire.
Yes.
That's your man name with the shrimp, man.
Mates, you have shrimp for me too? Boom.
Yeah.
Wire. Whoops.
People, I'm showing you shrimp eat
Food
them.
in another box, yeah.
The man eat the shrimp, dog.
Bad man.
Oh, shrimp taste. A raw shrimp. Let me see it.
No, jerk.
Yeah, I don't know who only eat shrimp, dog. Shrimp are foolish thing. You know shrimp are roach.
Is that street roach that right now?
Sea roach for real. Shrimp are sea roach. You never know. I think you know.
Scavenger.
Nobody never tell you
You
no.
want a piece of me thing there, me G?
Bro, tell us, I could jack piece of shrimp in our food.
Yo, you know what I do?
Yeah, that's right.
No. Mother send you go give Bingy. Mother send you go give Bingy.
Yo, when you get a message on me text in a group?
No. You know in a group we kick you.
You want to kick me out? What does this mean, dog? I'm sure if
Because when you dip on text message, your phone feel dip on blue.
Where you go?
Jake's on this and make be nice. Right now, I'm going to taste my food. I'm going to taste my food now. I'm up on the steps. See what I'm going with this salmon.
Go and play a box the food out of there.
You know, me on. So, man, you wicked? Taste the rice and I'll see what I'm going.
Boxy and try catch.
Yo, you want me to dash your whole life food?
We can play that box and catch?
Box and catch?
Yeah.
What we don't eat?
We could play all this, man.
What we don't eat? Jakes want to play all his mind when the whole of them eat them food already. Coronavirus! Yo.
Yo, we used to play statue at school?
You used to play scratchy?
Statue.
Yo, up on the rice, me I put the sauce. The sauce bad like.
Boy,
Yeah.
Yeah, go fuck up my sauce.
So vlog world, right now we're there, you know what I mean?
No, this are
Big son a string up right now in a Lana dance. You know what I mean? Belly full, so we're there, rum up on its way. It's on its way, so you know. Let me show you guys what's going on right now. Jakes is right there, you know. Already, you know, little sitting there first class right there, so Jakes we in a first class right now.
Yo.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Money.
Yeah. And you can see the setup right there.
I'm trying to find a chair, bro. I can't be standing there.
You can't be standing there, you gotta get a chair.
Jakes, you know you gotta go in the garage for the next one.
But for the chair?
Yeah, for the next.
So you're gonna sit down on this chair?
Yes.
You can't sit down, Panny.
Yeah, right. That's
No, that can't work.
Why?
That can't work.
Because it's too something there.
Yeah, that can't work. That if you sit down there and look up on the chair,
Where's the
that
chair
can't work.
downstairs?
Chair downstairs, go for your chair downstairs.
What are we the blood? This man have the chair and
Chair downstairs can't roll yourself.
Brother, he will hold.
Which chair?
Watch.
Oh, it's zebra chair? The zebra chair. No, it's zebra chair, not the lawn chair. No, bring the zebra chair. Just put where they on the ground. The zebra chair better, man.
So when I string up, you know.
Where's down there?
They want to really set up.
Where's down there?
So in the hallway.
Sanitizer the bar, make sure to follow that bar.
No,
Tonight gonna be a special night on the live. We're dedicating this to the girls like always. Come on, scratch up your wall, man.
Where?
You catch it up. You catch it on the vlog.
Keep me on your phone.
No, that broke already.
They're here. Within a cruise ship. If you listen to your window, yeah, that's breeze passing.
It can be right.
Yeah, we in a air transit. If you can see. No? So yeah, Travis going live right now. Sound set up right there. Yo, big sound system to right kid. So when you're doing it, so.
Jack, fix it if footprint for me. So I don't fall. You can't make it selector fall, you know.
So you know what? Oh yeah, good.
No, I don't want it on the wall, man.
Oh, well, I look on Big Fendi right now.
Strip of the online tonight?
No, I hold something like.
Oh.
Yo, I don't feel like. Jakes, fix that up.
No, go on, man. It's straight. The front one.
Good.
You're going like you go far. Look
No, the plug right now, so I don't want to shut me up.
No, I shock you. Somebody run go fly the breaker. So right now we're here. Somebody just scam Ricky for 50.
Man, I'm trying to them. Yo, trying to them wicked.
We have JJ in the building. Jake's over there chilling. You know?
Yeah, wait on.
A winner. Celebrate your victory again. Yeah?
Someone said that a video.
It's a vlog, yeah.
What's a ying dick?
It's a video vlog.
Ying dick. What's a
Ying Dick in him?
ying dick? $59 for PayPal.
Man, scam Ricky. See, set up the right now.
Then say me just get something when I come.
Then say you get somebody.
Sound clash. I'm on thing.
You against World Dog. Right now. Show us against World Dog in a sound clash. No, we're not fighting now, but I go on then.
Yeah, man, but not today. We're not fighting today.
Fight I go on, but not today. Chabas, World Dog, Lincoln, World Dog. We not sure about that yet, but Chabas and World Dog are going to do the fight.
You can't like this. You can't like
Yeah, we're there. So,
No, you can't go out of the state country.
big up on yourself. Blessings and respect for Father out and watch your next vlog.
Why you ain't already?
Yo, you see my brother here so chop off already. So blessings and respect for, yo, the man them do that again. Show what give.
No, sir.
You see, I'm catch you. No.
Straight on this one.
Straight on my 2 finger.
Spider-Man.
Nice like that.
So me there, you know what I mean, the flight about to take off. Your transit. So Blessings and respect, as me always said, uno could have there anyway. Uno could have there anyway. Quarantine, uno down here. So blessings and respect. JJ, you want to close the vlog? Tell them goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a